Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will walk you through the process of applying for a resale certificates in Texas for 2025. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Texas Controller's official website at controller.texas.gov. Once you're on the site, go to the Texas tab and click on Texas Home. Now scroll down until you reach the Texas Taxes section. Next, click on the Sales Tax Permit Application option to apply for your permit. On the next page, click Apply for Permit Visa e-Systems. After the e-Systems application loads, you'll see the option to apply for the resale certificate. Now fill in the required information like your name, address, phone number, and your tax permit number. Make sure all the details are accurate, especially your tax information. Once everything is in, go ahead and submit your application for resale certificate. And that is it. You have now applied for your resale certificate in Texas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. As always, I have promised.